All right, so we just got done doing the radio show, and today we're gonna leave here and go do a restaurant review. Now, sandwich place that I got introduced to by my mom, I got introduced to sandwiches there, and I really like a specific sandwich there. It's the garlic steak sandwich. So we're gonna head over to Oh My. I'm gonna go through my normal protocol and ask them what I should order because that's how I'm gonna base the review. So looked them up right here, and the one in Sandy's open for dine-in. This is Touch, which is South Salt Lake. Unfortunately, is only available for takeout. Bailey and I want to go and sit down and enjoy the lunch there, opposed to in our car. So we're gonna head down to the Sandy, which opens here at 11 a.m. As you can see, it's 10:20, so that gives us just enough time to get down there for lunch and review Oh My. All right, so we're here at Oh My. As you can see, they're open for business. We're on about 7th East. This is 7th East right here. It's very noisy, and about 8300 South. We're getting ready to go inside to have a really delicious sandwich. I'm hoping that they suggest the garlic steak sandwich because that's the one I like, but I've got to go with whatever they suggest. So let's go inside and enjoy some lunch.
You'll have the honey glazed pork, curry chicken, spicy beef short rib, and brisket sandwich.
Okay, what's your favorite of all those?
I like the brisket sandwich.
The brisket sandwich. Okay, I'll do a brisket sandwich. Can we get 2 Thai iced teas,
Sure.
please,
Do you
or-
guys want ice on your Thai tea?
Yes, please.
Can you help me take it out and I can put ice at the back?
Great, okay, perfect. Let's try some chicken spring rolls.
Okay.
instead. Yeah, thanks.
Let me back for the ice.
Okay, great, appreciate it. I feel like it should be good. You could tell that the garlic ribeye is a hot commodity because it's gone. So, but I'm good that I'm gonna try something different because that's what I always get when I come here. So I was hoping that they were gonna recommend this, but they don't even have it. So, so this stuff right here is called hot oil, and it's really good. It just gives the food a kick. Get this stuff. And you'll just kind of dab your sandwich into this or put it in your sandwich if you want with a knife, but this stuff is really good.
You might love it.
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah, it tastes like candy. So it's really sweet initially. Okay, it's really sweet. It's like just really delicious sweet. And then there's a kick of spice, which I actually really like. This is good. Okay, restaurant review. This is really good. Definitely go with the Thai iced tea if you are in the mood to try something different. Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. So he recommended the brisket, which looks really good. I'm very excited to dive into it. Actually, I'm happy that it's making me try something new. And the reality is, since this is a restaurant review, I have to go with what they recommend anyway. So we're gonna do this, and we're gonna try the spring roll. So I'm gonna do the first bite without any of the hot oil, spicy oil, just to get the flavor of this, but I will be adding the spicy oil here in a second because I love the flavor of the spicy oil. All right, so let's try this. Gotta figure it out. Okay, right here. That's still really good. That is really good. I freaking love the freshness of the carrots, the lettuce, the different stuff that they have inside, all blended with the meat. That's a really good sandwich, so you definitely want to try the brisket. Okay, so we got the chicken curry spring roll and some dipping sauce, so we're gonna try this now. This is good. Very fresh with all the carrots and lettuce. The chicken has a great flavor, a really delicious curry flavor. Well, as you can see, the sandwich is gone, the Thai iced tea is gone. I was a little bit bummed that the garlic ribeye wasn't here, but the brisket was fantastic. Never had it before. So starting from the spring rolls, those were really good. Chicken curry spring rolls, very, very delicious. The brisket sandwich, very, very delicious. And the Thai iced tea, I've never had it from here, was very, very delicious as well. So if you've never been to Oh My and you're looking for a different type of sandwich than you're normally used to, growing up in America with the Subways, the Firehouse, all those other sandwich places, this has a lot of spectacular flavors, lots of vegetables, which is why I really like it. So definitely come check out Oh My. And again, if they have the ribeye, the garlic ribeye, try that first, but if they don't, definitely go with the brisket, which was really great. So thanks so much for watching. If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them in the comment section below. And thank you again for watching.